video, I'm going to show you 3 techniques to use for Moire Wild Silk, a plaster product by Colors by Drew. Moire Wild Silk, which is an acrylic-based, multiple effect decorative coating, it looks and feels like fine silk. Your surfaces will shimmer with reflective gold, iridescent, or silver effects. It's extremely easy to use. Even the most novice applicator can achieve professional results. It may be used on new or old surfaces. It is perfect for any home, business, or commercial environments. Moire Wild Silk appears textured, but is smooth to the touch. It can be easily painted over when the time comes to change. We recommend that you apply Moire Wild Silk in 2 thin layers. Thin layers create deeper richness, prevents and eliminates drips and runs, and provides greater square foot coverage. Here is a list of the tools that you will need. Painter's tape and drop cloths, 4-inch to 6-inch half-inch nap roller with handle and tray for applying moire, 2.5-inch synthetic bristle paintbrush for applying eggshell paint base and moire, 9-inch roller and handle with tray with a 1/2-inch nap for applying paint base coat. Before you use these products, please prep the room by taping off outlets, any trim, and cover the floors or fixtures with drop cloths. Patch any holes or damaged areas that you will be painting. Apply a good quality acrylic paint with an eggshell finish similar to the color that you will be using. Allow the painted surface to dry overnight. The first technique is the roll-on crosshatch. Step 1. With a good quality synthetic brush, cut into the ceiling line and edge. While still wet, soften with a 4-inch to 6-inch half-inch nap roller in 6-inch to 8-inch passes, going in every direction. Although the pattern is random, each pass should be consistent in length. Continue along the wall, cutting in, edging, and rolling in manageable sections. Allow the first layer to dry completely. Step 2. Roll on a second layer to soften the overall look and extend the life and wear of the finish. Because the application is completely random, any needed touch-up will blend into the wall surface when done in a similar random manner. The second technique is the brush-on crosshatch. Step 1. As in the roll-on crosshatch technique, use a good quality synthetic brush, cut into the ceiling line and edge. Instead of a 4-inch to 6-inch half-nap roller, apply a thin layer of Moire Wild Silk in a random crosshatch pattern with brush strokes of 6 inches to 8 inches, going in every direction. Although the pattern is random, each pass should be consistent in length. Continue along the wall, cutting in, edging, and brushing in manageable sections. Allow the first layer to dry completely. Step 2. Brush on a second layer to soften the overall look and extend the life and wear of the finish. Because the application is completely random, any needed touch-up will blend into the wall surface when done in a similar random manner. The third technique is the roll-on trowel finish. You will need a Venetian plaster trowel or 6-inch flexible stainless steel flat blade with rounded edge for this technique. Step 1. With a good quality synthetic brush, cut into the ceiling line and edge. While still wet, soften with a 4-inch to 6-inch half-inch nap roller in 6-inch to 8-inch passes, going in every direction. Although the pattern is random, each pass should be consistent in length. Continue along the wall, cutting in, edging, and brushing in manageable sections. Allow the first layer to dry completely. Step 2. Using a 6-inch stainless steel rounded corner flat blade or 6/8 of an inch Venetian plaster trowel, load a small amount, 1 to 2 tablespoons of moire to the outside edge of the blade. Do not overload the blade. You can prevent overcoating by limiting the amount of product applied to your blade. Using a low angle, apply a paper-thin coat of moire in 8-inch to 12-inch passes. Moire should be applied as thin as a sheet of paper. Using a random pattern, apply moire going up, down, and side to side. This random pattern will cause light to reflect in a soft silk fabric-like appearance. With moire, there is no need to maintain a wet edge during application. Simply start and stop as needed. Work in 4-foot by 4-foot sections at a time, then join sections by slightly overlapping edges of each section. This patchwork look will all pull together with the application of the finished coat. Allow this coat of moire to dry completely. Step 3. Apply a finished coat of moire in the same fashion as Step 2. Moire Wild Silk is made with non-toxic, earth-friendly materials that comes in a multitude of colors. It is easy to tint, durable, mold and mildew resistant, water resistant, and low VOC. It's simple to maintain and repair.